Whenever I'm riding, I'm always extra careful, and I like to burn my tires hotter than you can always smell the rubber burning as well. Boom, boom, I'm ready to go.
So how's it going, guys? I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. That may be because at the minute I'm off the road. I don't actually have a bike at the minute. I had a traffic collision back in January, and obviously most in the last videos I did the Honda CB500X bike that was on. As I said, it wasn't mine. I was loaned it. But yeah, as I say, I'm hopefully going to be back on the road soon. I have got a couple of other bikes, but they're not bikes that I tend to do a few motovlogs on. And as I say, yeah, at the minute I'm trying to focus on other stuff, but I will be hopefully doing some more videos soon. And yeah, I hope you stick around and keep an eye out, and I hope you enjoyed this video of my destroyed bike. So first things first, I accept no liability, and this isn't a judgmental video. It's just to bit of fun, basically, just to explain you what happened, why I'm not riding at the minute. But I'm going to break it down into small little bits. It's 7 PM January 2018. It's good weather, good road conditions. As I'm progressing down the road, I can see a car reversing off the drive, starting to edge out, but I couldn't actually see any lights. I honk to let this car know that I am coming. Car pulls out faster, blocks my lane and part of the oncoming lane, without turning the wheel, just completely straight across, blocks my lane. I crash, I go overboard, I land on my back, half on curb, half not, damage my legs, my back, my neck and my arms. Rushed to hospital, spending a few hours in resource, get released. I'm alive, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm in serious pain, but at the end of the day I'm alive, and that's all that matters.
Swear you'll be the death of me!